Hey guys, in today's video I'm showing you can set up the DroidCam with your phone and your PC. So you want to head over to the plus and you want to click DroidCam OBS. And at this point you can rename anything you want. I just renamed it phone webcam. Then after a few seconds you can just say okay. And now you need to get a Droid webcam on your phone. It's on Play Store. And then once you're in, you need to add your Wi-Fi IP address and your port. So here is me adding the port now. It will be found on the screen of the web of the DroidCam app once it's installed. If you're on iPhone, you get the app from the Apple Store. You want to click OK. But before that, you need to do one more thing. You want to right click and go to properties. You want to click activate. Once it's activated, you go on your phone and you check if it's activated on your phone. Once it is activated on your phone, you come back to the thing and there you go. And there the webcam is showing. And now this is how it looks once you connect to your phone. You can move it around, you can move it upside down. It's connected through Wi-Fi. You can change the settings, you can change the camera, you can show everything from your phone. You can change the resolution, you can change the quality of the video, everything. It's a nice feature. Now I changed it there to 720, which makes it look slightly better, which I appreciate. There we go.